Hey, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today's tutorial is going to be an eye tutorial on this look that you see right here. So let's jump right into the video. I'm going to be taking the JACLYN Hill palette in this shade right here, and I'm going to use this as my first transition shade. And I'm going to build it up on the outer corner of my eye and then slightly blend it into my crease when there's not as much product on the brush. Now dipping into the Peach palette by Too Faced, I'm taking White Peach to highlight my brow bone with just a flat brush and then blending out the edges. Now dipping back into that JACLYN Hill palette, I'm going to take this shade right here and on a smaller, more dense blending brush, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner as well. We will be building up most of the eyeshadows on the outer corner since we're doing a more like gradient, light to dark type of look today. So I'm going to be focusing most of the darker shades on the outer corner and then blending it out to make sure that there's no harsh lines. And then I'm just building up that same color until I can get it a little bit darker. I'm using a new camera today, you guys, so I still have to fix the lighting. So I'm sorry if the lighting is inconsistent. I promise in my next video it will not be. Now taking this brown shade from the JACLYN Hill palette, I'm going to use this to deepen that outer corner just to add some more dimension. This color I will bring up a little bit higher onto my crease. I do go in with a darker brown shade after this, so I want to bring it up just a little bit so we have a nice blend when we go in with the darker shade. And the darker shade is from the Peach palette. It's Charmed, I'm sure, and I'm using a different blending brush. It's a little bit smaller and more dense as well. That way I can apply it just on that outer corner. In this color, I'm not going to be bringing up too high. And then I'm going to go back into that brown shade from the JACLYN Hill palette and just blend out any edges where that darker eyeshadow met the other colors. So now I'm going in with this more flesh tone color. It's like a nude matte shade. I'm going to use this as my lid color today. And then I'm going to take some more of that dark brown from the Peach palette and kind of wing out the eyeshadow since we're not doing a winged liner. This will give us that nice cat eye effect as well still. And now I'm going to be doing just a straight line across my lash line using the Wet n Wild to make the liner. And it doesn't have to be too straight because I am going to be going in with eyeshadow on top of it to kind of give it like a little smokiness to it. So if it's not completely straight, it's okay. And now I'm using some of that highlight on my inner corner that I used for my brow bone. And now I'm taking some black Jordana liner that I tight lined with, and I'm taking a small liner brush just to wing out the inner corners. Now back to the lash line, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. This one is actually from the JACLYN Hill palette. I don't know why I didn't show it. I'm so sorry. But I'm just using a smudger brush, and I am smudging out the edges and kind of just applying the eyeshadow to give us the effect that it is like a smudged out liner. And I think this really makes it nice and sexy and sultry, especially for Valentine's Day. And it's a little bit easier to achieve than a wing liner. And now I'm just coating my eyelashes with mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. I love this mascara so much. And I'm just coating that for my eyelashes. But before I do that, I'm going to apply a little bit more of the black eyeshadow on that outer corner there, just to kind of give us a little bit more of an effect of a cat eye without actually doing a cat eye. And now I'm taking the EYLURE and Anley eyelashes. It's from the Vlogger series, and I'm just popping those babies on. And then I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the edges of the eyeshadow so they can look a little bit more sharp and clean. And that's pretty much the eyes done. So I'm going to go ahead and do like my foundation and everything else off camera, and then I'll come back to finish the lash line. And the lash line is pretty simple, you guys. You guys already know the deal. I do what I do. That sounds funny. I do what I do. I just do the same colors that I apply on the crease, on the lower lash line as well. So I'm going in with that yellow mustardy shade, and then the brown shade, and then a deeper brown, and then a little bit of black kohl liner, just to give us a more sexy look. I think this look is super pretty for Valentine's Day. This is my version of a soft makeup look. It's all matte. There's no shimmers included or glitters. It's just pretty easy to achieve, and you could use any colors that you have and swap them out and just use the same steps and you'll get the same effect. And this is the finished look, but thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video and this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll check you guys out in my next one. Bye!